Hey, what's up guys? It's Michael Mock. Just want to do a follow through with week 2. This is our Palo Alto remodel. It's very dusty. We're still doing demolition. We're wrapping up most of it today, but want to share with you what it looks like. We're walking in. We demoed up this whole front area. We're going to expand the closet here. It's going to get expanded. This is the front bedroom. We are in the process of moving, let's see, this closet as well, which is the shower. We're going to put the toilet in that corner. Shower is going to move over where the closet is. See a nice cast iron pipe. This is bedroom here. Let's see, what else do you see here? This line here is a vent line that goes up, so it allows for the proper drainage of the sink. But that's not the fun stuff. The fun stuff that you're about to see is some termite damage, which we found this week. Oh, this is the termite damage right here. There you go. Nothing but the finest California termites all over the place. Along with termites, we found some mummies of rats, as well as more rats. So this is the shower pan area. As you can see, there's more termite damage around the walls. So this will become the master. This is the master suite. You see that we have this area here that is boosted up. We're actually in the process of running a beam. We're setting up to put up a beam here and a beam across this way for the support. But these are all temporary supports so that we can do the work as well as keep the roof intact. So that is the update. I want to thank you guys all for watching and bearing with me with my funky voice because I have a cold. Getting over it. It's week 2, demo time. Thanks a lot, guys.